You've never seen a carpet cleaning method like this before. It pulls out all the dirt, dust, and bad odors. Start by preparing a natural, effective cleaning mix. Pour about 6 cups of warm water into a bowl. This is the base of your solution. The proportions matter. Now add just under 3 ounces of white vinegar. This simple ingredient is a real dirt fighter and neutralizes unpleasant smells. Then add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. It helps break down grease and grime. Mix everything well. Before you begin cleaning, don't skip this crucial step. Vacuum the entire carpet. That removes dust, hair, and pet fur. Soak a microfiber cloth in the solution. Place a pot lid on top of the cloth and wrap it over the lid. Now scrub the carpet thoroughly. The cloth pulls out the dirt while the lid helps press it into the surface. For the final step, dip a regular broom into the cleaning mix and sweep the entire carpet again. This lifts out any remaining dirt and fluffs up the fibers, restoring softness and freshness. The result? A clean, fresh-smelling carpet. Like after professional cleaning, but without the high cost.